So this property is located in the heart of the hills in Beverly Hills area. So we've got Beverly Hills Flats and we have hills. This one, as you can see, it's a crazy drive up. You drive up and up and up, and that's where you have some of the most exclusive properties, luxury mansions in Beverly Hills. And have a look at that drive up. Quite insane. This gorgeous estate has 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and 6,200 square feet. Priced at $11.5 million, it is located between Laurel Canyon and Truesdale estates. This Janice Place estate is a brand new, single-story, contemporary masterpiece with 90210 post office zip code. It is conveniently situated on a serene cul-de-sac 1 block north of the legendary Truesdale estates and minutes from Bel Air. The house is set on nearly 29,000 square feet lot. A seamless floor plan designed for quiet luxury living and world-class entertaining. Walking through the kitchen, we can see that the chef's kitchen features Miele appliances, dual ovens, 2 dishwashers, built-in espresso bar, and Calcutta Borghini Waterfall Island. We have beautiful bright color custom cabinetry, walk-in pantry, full wet bar, and temperature control glass wine room. We have also European hardwood floors, floor-to-ceiling automated glass doors that dissolve the boundary between indoors and outdoors. They open to a private backyard paradise with infinity edge pool, heated spa, waterfall, fire pit, and sweeping canyon views framed by mature trees and lush green landscaping. And from this infinity edge pool, we have gorgeous views of Beverly Hills. Have a look at this extensive backyard with spa and leisure activity areas. Perfect place for chilling, relaxing afternoons, entertaining guests, and yes, there is also a hot tub with gorgeous views. This house has unparalleled flow. Look how seamlessly we can transfer from the backyard and pool area back into the living room, where we have a wine room, of course, with a collection of wines and immense living room area. Dining table placed conveniently between the kitchen and the living room with fantastic views as well. And it's time to check out the master bathroom located on the north corner of the house. And again, light colors, plenty of room, natural light, high ceilings, walk-in closet, of course, master bathroom with a soaking tub, and large size windows with the views of the gardens. And coming back to the master bedroom, we can see that it has pretty big patio area that is connected to the backyard that we just saw a few minutes ago. So you can walk straight from here to the pool area. And surprise, surprise, master bedroom has 2 bathrooms for him and her. This is the second one with a shower, soaking tub, light color cabinetry, beautiful marble floors, and another walk-in closet. As we continue through the house, we can see that there are 5 additional bedroom suites offering flexible configurations for family, guests, home office. There is also gym, yoga, studio, and upper quarters. Interesting feature, you can walk throughout the balconies to multiple bedrooms of the house. And outside, we have an entertainer's dream with a custom barbecue station, multiple lounge areas, and fire pits surrounded by breathtaking canyons. And through the balcony, we are walking into another bedroom that can be designed as a children's bedroom or whatever the need is for additional bedrooms. Each of them has ensuite bathroom, great storage, and closet space. Because we are in the hills area, pretty high up, and it is a single-story house that it doesn't have any neighbors in a very close proximity, you can see that basically every single room has beautiful natural lighting, which is quite unique for a house of this size. Additionally, we have here Sonos Arc whole home sound, app control home technology, and a comprehensive Ring camera security system. If you love homes, interior design, or you are looking for some inspiration, please put a comment below, subscribe to my channel. More home luxury tours coming up soon.